Folks, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is June 6, 2022, start of the week. Let's go ahead and get that disclaimer going and through for you on your end. Just want to confirm that everything's all good on all sides here. And we'll be getting started with the 3D market commentary for today. QR code is there for you to scan should you need to, so you can get some more information out of this. And then, of course, the link down below here as well. Alrighty, looks like we're all set to go. Let's go ahead and get started with the 3D market commentary. So this is what it would look like in your inbox Monday through Friday. We call it a 3D market commentary because we utilize a three-dimensional approach. Those three dimensions are the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Going from the top down, market climate is represented by this indicator down below here. What we are looking for is a confirmation in the climate, so we can know if we should. So we should know if we should be looking for long or short opportunities, or perhaps look elsewhere if the climate is unconfirmed. The buy and sell UFOs, or the unfilled orders, which are responsible for the upcoming turning points, we utilize those as entries and exits. Of course, they're unmistakably named so because they do look like flying saucers on the chart here, represented by four colors. There's the green, there's a beige color which is not shown here, a bright red, and a burgundy, let's call it, color. All in all, we combine these elements as well as the upcoming price change speed, which adjusts the risk to reward ratio to remain objective and realistic when trading, investing, or hedging. The first market that we're going to utilize and look over right now is the S&P 500. As we see, according to the newsletter, as well as to our indicated down here, it is an up climate. It is confirmed, and we do know that it is confirmed because this is a thick blue dot. It is the seventh day up out of typically 9, so we're kind of closing up on the typical amount of days that this market goes up for. We do have a sell UFO up here at 44.32 to 45.09, and then a buy UFO down below here, 39.97.75 through 38.72 even. Based on the VIX, we are still looking at elevated volatility, 25.16%. Daily expected move of 65 points. As of right now, the market in the US has not opened just yet. We've had a low of 41.04 and a high of 41.56, so that expected market move has not occurred just yet. As far as the overall picture of the S&P 500, of course, we've come, quite a ways away from the all-time highs here. We did have a pretty substantial drop, a double top recovery, still dropped down below. Another pullback, new UFOs were created in that area. And then, as we're seeing, we did a massive retest earlier, eliminating previous highs here. Went all the way down and kept going down and have been going down in the overall directionality, currently just being mostly down. Currently, right now, consolidating in this area. We're going to see which way this is going to go. All right, now, if you're looking to educate yourself, sorry about that. Now, if you're looking to educate yourself, of course, we do offer the Auto UFO courses, and that's right there. We do have the main asset classes, futures, stocks, and Forex. Of course, we are developing a crypto and options course as well, which will be coming soon. But on top of that, we have the tools that you would need to utilize these main asset classes, which are the backtesting, trading plans, trading psychology, and of course, the indicators package itself, the Auto UFOs, and Auto Climate. Combining all of these together, I think, is the right way to go about trading. Mainly because it's not, general knowledge about the asset classes that you're trading is great. You'll know what's going on in front of you, but actually backtesting your trading plan, putting that trading plan in place, and having the right trading psychology behind you is key to finding consistency, in my humble opinion. Of course, any one of these comes with a complimentary access to the auto UFOs and auto climate. So definitely check that out. All right, next one that we have here is crude oil. So crude oil currently in coming down from that over 120 mark that we saw print today. As you see, we did have an open above the 120, went as high as 120.99. Currently sitting around the lows at 118. Again, just for perspective, in case you're not trading this market, that's a $2,000 move if you caught it from end to end. Let's say you didn't catch it from end to end, but you still caught some of it. That's still a massive, massive move. Currently, crude oil selling off pretty hard after that high open. We're going to see where it takes us next. Right now, we did test a auto UFO down below here, 111.96 to 103.24. Auto climate is on the 11th day up out of typically 7, and it is confirmed. So that means it's a little bit overextended. Wouldn't surprise me if it pauses a little bit. All right. As far as the OVX, of course, we are looking at extremely elevated volatility for crude oil. Again, this is not business as usual for crude oil, as I've mentioned many times before, but given the geopolitical, macroeconomic impact that the Russian invasion is having, um, everybody's kind of on their toes, and this is driving crude oil prices, sky high. 46% volatility. I mean, that's just that's stuff you see on Bitcoin, not on, commodities. All right, now if you need the auto UFOs alone, we do have that available as well. If you go to the tradewithufos.com/apps, you can subscribe using this link here, or of course the link down below here. Oops, right there. It does come with monthly or yearly memberships, and of course, it is available for multiple platforms, including our very own platform that we've developed, which is Top. And I'll talk about that one in just a minute. The next one on our list here is gold. Currently, it is unconfirmed. The market climate is saying it is down because there's a thin red dot there, but it is not confirmed as of yet. 1962.7 to 2003 is the nearest sell UFO. 1834.8 to 1785 is the nearest buy UFO. Price is currently closer to the buy side. Here, it did test this UFO a couple days back. Since that test, right, it did go quite a bit a ways away from it. 1834 was the start of the UFO. It's gone up as far as 1880. Looking at GVZ, 16.51% volatility, 19 points for the day. Of course, the crude oil market, the gold market is already open. Volume tends to kick in a little bit later in the day. All right, now if you do need coaching or support, of course, we do have daily live trading sessions available and compatible for most time zones. You can sign up for the All Asset Advanced Coaching using this link here, or of course the one down below. All Asset Advanced Coaching allows you to set up a training session with any one of the instructors that we have here on the channel. Of course, if you already have somebody that you prefer, you're always welcome to just click on their link, go and sign up for a coaching session. It is available in 30 and 60-minute increments, and of course that may help you avoid some bad habits that you may not know you have. All right, next one on our list is the dollar index. Of course, if you're not trading the Dixie, that's okay. It is very important to know what's going on with the dollar if you're trading any forex pairs. Currently, it is not in a confirmed climate. We do have a sell UFO 103.295 to 102.805, and then a buy UFO 100.675 to 99.810. According to EVZ, 8.39% volatility. Which is pretty much standard 0.54 for the day. Currently, it was on a steep decline, the dollar right here, which is kind of interesting to see. a pretty nice bounce back up already. Currently, potentially might be testing this UFO, but looks like it did not test it just yet. Pulled down. Now it seems to be kind of going sideways a little bit here, so we're going to see what's going to happen. But of course, as of right now, unconfirmed climate, so not a whole lot else to say there. Okay, now of course, this content is broadcast daily. It is available on our YouTube channel. It's available on Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course, our very own partner, Tiger Trade. So definitely check all of those out. This will take you to our YouTube channel link, where I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to the channel. That way, we can spread the word out there on YouTube as well. It also, you can catch up on missed commentaries as well. All right, last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. Currently in a confirmed down climate. Actually, I'm not sure, that might be a typo. It says it wasn't confirmed, but this might have just recently happened. Of course, again, something to understand. While this market commentary is static, the indicator is dynamic. It adjusts according to market conditions. That's the beauty of it. That's the whole thing about it, that it adjusts as the market moves. Currently, it is saying it is in a down climate, and not only that, it is testing a sell UFO at 31,307 to 32,250. Based on BVI and 70%, 13,94 for the day for Bitcoin. Not unheard of, not unseen. Of course, Bitcoin is known to move quite a bit, and sometimes even overnight with the open of the Asia session. Of course, because it is a global product that's being traded. Quite a few UFOs in the way to try to climb up, and of course down below 23,737.5 to 22,910. All right, now if you want to be a top trader, top stands for the Traditive Options Planner. You can click here and subscribe. Top is a broker agnostic platform that we have developed in-house. Of course, this is something that is kind of brand new. It is tailored more to the professional trader. Of course, it's a retail platform, right, with professional trader features and tools in there. All of it with server-side processing, so that way, let's say you're on the road, or if you're traveling, you're able to load the platform and not have it overload a laptop that you might not want to be lugging, like a gaming laptop, with you. So this is something that is extremely, extremely useful. Learn more using this link here, or of course, everything that I've just spoken about. It is also available on the Linktree / Trade with UFOs link down below. All right, now last but definitely not least is this week's news. So we have a no confidence vote today happening for the Prime Minister Johnson. This will be critical. As you see, it is a red flag event. It is a red folder event, whichever way you want to call them. This is something that is coming up today. We're going to see what it's going to be like. However, my anticipation is that it will not succeed. However, we'll see how things end up. It could introduce some volatility into the markets should this go through. All right. Now, next thing, we have interest rate decision on Tuesday for the Aussie rate statement, GDP in Japan, GDP in Europe, interest rate decision for Europe as well, monetary policy statement and their press conference. Portugal Day in Portugal, they're celebrating a holiday. CPI in China, CPI in the US as well, net change in unemployment rate in Canada, and Michigan Consumer Statement Index for Friday. And of course, this Sunday is actually the Queen's birthday for Australia, Orthodox Pentecost in Romania and all Orthodox countries, and of course Holy Spirit Monday in Greece as well. All right, folks, that's that for today. I don't see any questions or any comments in the chat box. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will catch you next time. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.